Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo. In this video I want to explain to you how to install and make use of our inventory template. To go to our templates, you simply go to app.sheetgo.com/templates. There we go. This will bring us to the SheetGo web app. We also have a SheetGo add-on for Google Sheets, but if you want to know more about the difference between these two and how to use them, please take a look at my video on this. Now we are inside the SheetGo web app, so you see the templates here. We have cash flow and inventory. I created a video on how to install and make use of the cash flow template, so make sure to watch it. For now, let me show you how our inventory template works. Here you have some extra information. So, of course, this is to track your current inventory as you check items in and out of your business. So let's install this template and see how it looks like. Right now, SheetGo is copying these three spreadsheets, your check-in, your checkout, and your inventory management spreadsheet, inside your Google Drive and making sure that the connections are in place. So this could take a little while. So there we go. SheetGo has created our inventory management spreadsheet system. So here on the workflow, you see your check-in spreadsheet, checkout, and these are automatically connected inside the inventory management spreadsheet. So let's open each of these spreadsheets. So here we go, we're inside the checkout spreadsheet. So you have some initial instructions here and some useful tips. We simply go to the checkout tab, and here we overwrite the dummy data that's already filled in here by SheetGo, using our own items, of course, that we remove from our business stock. So your stock keeping unit, the item name, the quantity, and your unit measure. You can also fill this in here. You do the same thing for the check-in system, so check-in spreadsheet. So you also have initial instructions, some tips. You go to the check-in tab. You overwrite this dummy data with item names that come into your stock, the units, the quantity, and then you simply, to update these connections inside the master file, you go to your web app, and here you can update connections separately, or you can click this button to update them at the same time. So the connections are now updated, and then if you go inside your inventory management spreadsheet, you have your checkout and check-in tabs separately. So here you can see all your information. But what's really nice and a visual way to track your inventory, you have a current inventory list, also the percentage of how much is still available. But here you have an inventory dashboard. So here you have your total items in stock, your top items, your sold out items, and your oversold. So this is a really nice visual way on how to keep track of your inventory. Inside the web app, another really cool feature is the network view. So here you can see the connections made between your spreadsheets. So you have your inventory management and your check-in and check-out spreadsheets and how they are connected. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and make sure to watch our other videos. Thank you.